Amara, what's come over you? What on earth has come over you?
What has come over me?
Oh yes!
That man raped me. Got me pregnant.
So? You are not the first person to be raped, Amara. That is if it's true.
So, you do not see anything wrong in what he did to me? I am so ashamed to call you my sister.
Dare you! Now you listen. Listen and listen carefully. Read my lips. I will and must marry Tony. Not even you, nor the thing you call a son, will stop me. And who knows, you may just be lying your bleached self to his house.
Tell him to stay away from my son and I. I will not give my son to anybody. Desperate elder sister. No, touch him!
So what exactly do you want from him?
I will not allow him to take my son. I will not allow that.
What if he offers to marry you because of his son?
I don't know about that. I don't think he will. He loves Ujunwa.
Amara, you are still a young girl. This is an opportunity for you to make money. You see this boy is your money bar. It's time for you to make big money. This boy is your ticket to America. If you like, you put him in the pigeonhole. I'll follow you to America. But this boy, don't let him pass. It's an opportunity for you to... Tony will hear when. Think.
Tony, listen, I'm your friend. I can't deceive you. I can't mislead you. You see that little boy in that village? You need to go and get him. He is your flesh and blood. Please, bring him home.
I love Ujunwa. When I'm in love, I'm so much in love with her. That girl has been through a lot lately. And I can't afford to do this to her.
Listen, we've all been through a lot for people we love. A lot. There is nothing special here. I mean, not special for you to abandon your first child. Listen, that girl is still young. She can always get herself a man.
You don't get it. Okay, let me come out plain with you.
Okay.
There's something I haven't told you.
I'm all ears.
Ujunwa and I will never have a child. And it was all my fault. Though it was my mistake, my conscience will never. Like, my conscience will not allow me to do this to her. That's what I'm trying to say.
Tony, this is my point exactly. This is my point. How can you easily let go of your flesh and blood when you know exactly that Ujunwa will not give you a child? How?
You just talk like my mother. No one is understanding me.
Listen, Tony.
Where is your conscience, man?
Come on, man. You need to act wisely. You need to think. It's alright, man. Let's get something to eat, okay?
Ah, my brother.
devil is really fighting my family. They want to ruin my son's life. Eh? Initially, I thought it's something I could do alone. But as it is now, this one is bigger than me. How can he come?
Pauline one name. My sister Pauline. I know what you, but I want to ask you a question. And I want you to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. Are you saying that all you told me about the girl my nephew wants to marry is truth?
Why would I lie? No. Have you ever heard I lied against anybody before?
No.
At my age?
One name.
What will I gain? I was right there in the doctor's office. That her womb is damaged. She cannot have a child. He stated it categorically.
This is very serious, then. It's a very serious matter. Very serious. I think I will go and see Tony myself.
Please do.
I'll go to the city and see him, yes.
Eh?
Yes. And I don't know what is wrong here. Has he forgotten that he has his father's name to be here after his demise?
I don't know.
Or has he forgotten that he's an only child?
Honestly, I don't know. Anthony chose a woman with damaged womb over his own flesh and blood. Just tell me.
Are they me, man? What a woman?
Eh?
What a woman? It's okay, my sister. Don't worry. If I am married, if I am many episodes, don't worry. I will go to him. We won't allow it be. Makana. Okay. Organ one no. You will more normal.
Biko.
Thank you for one them. Until I see you. You go.
Thank you.
Oh.
Call me all the bad names in this one. It will not change anything.
Snake!
I am a demon. I am a snake.
That is who you are! I will not slimy, slimy snake!
Yes, I am!
You think I
am
know?
a snake and I accept it!
You think I am
It will not
not
change
aware?
anything! I will not give up my son to anybody!
Amara, you think I am stupid? You think I am an idiot? You think I don't know that you are skimming your way into my fiancé's heart with your son as a bait? I don't think I'm done.
I don't care whatever you think. It's not going to change anything. Are you blind? Can't you see? I've made up my mind. Deal with it. Why are you troubling me?
You are worse than I thought. But guess what? You will not get close, not even an inch close to Tony, not even an inch close to my fiancé's heart. Mark today's date. You would never get into his heart.
Why am I wasting my time talking to you? Tell your demon of a fiancé to stay away from my son and I. I will kill somebody in this house.
My fiancé is no demon, Amara.
He's a demon.
He is not a demon.
And you're so desperate.
You're skimming your way into my man's heart.
Enough. Mama.
Enough.
Mama.
Enough.
Mama, what is it?
What is your problem? What is your problem?
Speak to your daughter.
Amarachi.
Tell her to avoid me in this house. I will kill somebody. Oh.
Amarachi, have you gone insane?
Yes, I am crazy.
Go inside. Amarachi, get inside. Get inside! Ah! Amarachi.
Everybody should avoid me in this house. I'm going to kill somebody in this house. What is it?
Hi! No, it's okay. Biko, calm down, Biko. Please, just calm down. We will sort it out. Please. Hey, this girl will not let me rest in this house.
This is also difficult for me. this isn't the way we planned it. But you know, man proposes, God disposes.
And what do you mean by that?
I really don't know.
Your mother doesn't love me anymore. She can't possibly give her consent knowing my predicament right now.
We can always walk a way out. Always look forward to do.
Fine, so you tell me. Because I can't think of anything right now. The truth is, this whole thing is beginning to give me sleepless nights. What do you intend to do?
I want to marry you as much as I want my son back. Since you won't be able to give me one.
You and I have agreed to an alternative, Tony.
We can also work on bringing my son back to where he belongs. Your sister is not giving him a good life back in that village. Let's do this, please. This is more realistic. This is what we see. I know we agreed to do something, but then he is more realistic, if you ask me.
I knew it was going to get to this point. Uloma, I saw this coming.
Nine. There's no day that comes and passes without both of them fighting.
It's very simple. He puts our daughter Amarachi in the family way. He must marry her if he wants to have a son.
What about Ujua? What happens to her?
Uju must find for herself another suitor, unless if he wants to marry her sister's husband.
Allow the sleeping dog to lie. This anger goes find something for you. To err is human, to forgive is divine. Let's bygone be bygone. This is not matter of do or die affair. One day more, think about future, consider what.
So what are you implying? That you want to marry my sister because of your son?
I didn't say that either. We just need to cooperate.
I don't understand any of this. In all honesty, I am fed up as well. No, you tell me, because right about now I can't think of anything.
Tony, my son.
Uncle?
You're welcome. You're welcome, my son. How are you, my son?
Fine.
Welcome, sir.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
Yes, my son. I went to see my sister, your mother, and decided to see you because of what she told me. Yes. So how are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, what do I offer you?
Forget about anything to offer me now. You do that at the proper time. We have a pressing issue at hand. So we need to talk. After which you can now. You know my brand.
Okay. I'm sorry. Meet Ujunwa. Uju, my uncle.
Ujunwa. Ujunwa. My sister told me about.
Allow the sleeping dog to lie. This anger goes spoil something.
You would not let them do this to you. Why would they do that? Don't let them take your child from you. He will come back.
What if he does not come back?
He will come back. Oh. The only problem you have is that you underrate me. You underestimate me. You don't know how brainy I am. I'm a genius. Is it because I did not go to school? You don't believe what I tell you. I'm a genius.
You are so full of yourself.
So
confident.
It's not full of myself. I know that I did not go to school. But as a genius that I am, my brain works faster than normal human being. I'm just a vulcanizer. I can tell you your next move before you make the move.
Unju, what about you and I? I mean, what about us?
Don't worry, by the time we get to that bridge, we'll know how to cross it. Let's take one step at a time. Let's finish this one now. Do you understand? So don't let he will come back. No man, in his right senses, wants his first child. Not talk of a son. A son. Tell me who will see that your child and let him go. No man wants his child, the first son, to be raised out of his home. Never.
Really a genius.
I didn't tell you.
And even one at that.
Every genius. In fact, see, you have to go back. You have to go back now. You see this your child now. Anya, sir, this is a terrible period now. This is dangerous hour. All eyes on him. So you must focus on him. Because this is time of Ebubrona. So go back and monitor him. If he wake up from sleep, you carry him. We'll see you later. To avoid, they will take your child and run away.
Hey, let me just go.
You have to go. Run. Run to your child. Carry him.
I will see you later.
All right. Nonsense to the buggers. They want to take what they could not support. Tony, my son. My friend, I told you, is a good friend. And the one that said, I would have told you, is a bad friend. Oyimu, agwarenga agwa bezi boy. Oyimu, akama agwa bad joy. A word they say is enough for the wise. And besides, a man whose house is on fire does not chase mouse.
What are you driving at, Uncle?
Tony, I don't need to know anything or hear anything from you. Your mother, my sister, has told me everything I needed to know. Just use your tongue to count your teeth.
Uncle, I am in between marrying the woman I love and marrying the mother of my son. A woman I have never had any feelings for.
But you put her in a family way. Yet you got her pregnant. I don't know. Tony, what do you know about love? Love grows. With time you begin to love the woman, the mother of your son. Your only son. But remember one thing, true blood has no alternative.
So what about Uju?
We have to start making every necessary preparation to bring our blood back to where it belongs. That's what is important at this juncture now.
Uncle.
Let me tell you this, Tony. You know that your father's lineage has this short lifespan. So you don't need to take any chances at all. Act immediately. Let us try and bring back your only son. With time, you begin to love the mother. That is it. So, you can now go ahead and give me whatever you have for me. You know my brand, my usual hot drink.
I will let you, but only on one condition.
What's the condition, my love?
That you will marry me first.
Just that?
You will marry me first. Then you can go ahead and bring her in as your second wife or baby mama, whatever it is. I don't care. I only know that Mama will never give up if you do not bring her in.
Thank you. Thank you so much, baby. I promise nothing will ever come in between us.
My sister's hatred is getting worse day by day. I don't know what to do.
We have come here to appeal to you to allow our son here take care of his son in his own house. Our son here is a very hard-working man. He's wealthy and is capable of taking care of his son and giving him the best that he deserves. So please, I need you to consider it as a request, please.
Amara, you heard what he said. So, what do you have to say?
Uncle, I am not letting anyone take my son away from me. I have been the one taking care of this boy. So why do these people think that I can no longer take care of my son?
We never said so, my daughter. Considering the circumstances, I believe he's better off with his father. Think about it. He's your son too. And I believe you want the best for him.
You can even come with him and take care of him. After all, you are the only one that can give him the best.
For how long? 2 years? 3? Or at most 10 years? So what becomes of me after then? If Tony wants my son as much as I think, then he must marry me.
You say?
That is my final decision. I will not let anyone separate me from my son.
Then he will marry you.
What did you say? Marry who?
She's right. She deserves it.
Mama? Please, let's see. 1 minute. You really think that I will marry you? Is that what you think? Is that your plan? I don't love you and I would never love you. Don't you get that?
It's obvious you have nothing sensible to say. I do not love you either. I am doing you a favor here. I'm offering you marriage because of your son.
Then you think of something more reasonable. Think of something else. Like I said before, I can start any business, I can do anything for you, but not marriage. Don't you have anything else to say?
I'm sorry. This is the best I can come up with. It's either you take it or you leave it. The boy is on your court.
Why are you doing this? What do you stand to gain? This is not fair. This is not nice. Oh God. Can you at least give me some time to think about this?
No problem. But when you are done thinking, always remember that my son and I comes first in your life.
Allow the sleeping dog to lie. This anger go spoil something for you. To err is human, to forgive is divine. Let's bygone be bygone. This is not matter of do or die affair. One day more, think about future, consider what about love? Are you sure there is love? What about peace of mind? Check it off. Take it well, to be my don't force marriage, consider well. What about love? Are you sure there is love?
I hope everything is okay between you two.
For now, yes.
Amarachi, they are asking for your hand in marriage. And they want it to be done as soon as possible. Anthony, my son, we have decided to go ahead with the marriage plans because we believe that is the best thing to do as it is now.
Decided on whose consent now?
It's for your good.
In fact, we want you to provide us with the marriage list. We want to make sure we do everything in cash.
That won't be a problem at all. We promise you before you leave, we shall get you the traditional marriage list.
Good. Very good.
When will I ever take decisions that affect my life by myself? Since I was a child, you've been taking decisions. Is it that I'm not a man? Is it that I'm not competent?
Anthony, because the last time I allowed you to take a decision, you ended up making a great mistake.
Oh, please, Mama. Don't use that against me. You practically live my life for me. What's this now?
Anyway, you can say whatever you like, whether you like it or not. You will marry the woman that gave you a son, my grandson. What is wrong with you? Eh? You want to marry a woman with damaged womb? What becomes of us?
Technology makes everything almost possible, Mama. We had a plan. We had a plan. You can't just come out from nowhere and scatter the plans for me.
Anthony, I don't want robot as a child.
You sounded like an illiterate. That's what is called artificial insemination. What's robot child?
I did not give birth to you through technological means. I don't want an artificial child. No way.
Anthony, the truth is that your mother here loves you. Eh? Don't forget that the child is involved. By the way, have you ever thought of that child? What becomes of him? Eh? Because let's be more reasonable in this matter.
He doesn't concern him. All he cares about is himself and the girl. Eh? I did not bring you up this way. Come on, don't give me that impression that you're irresponsible.
It's okay. The matter is made simple now. Since we have the list of the traditional marriage in our hands now, the best is to plan how to move forward, how to marry the girl and bring in our blood, our child.
Simple.
That is the only thing to.
Thank you very much. So, my brother, how is it now?
Ujunwa, God knows the best.
My own sister. Annabelle, my own sister. What did I ever do to her? Why does she hate me so much? Why?
Don't forget, that young man raped her. I think she's making a huge mistake, all in the name of revenge. I wish she would learn how to forgive and forget. I just wish.
My mother and uncles are in support of their marriage. I mean, how is that possible that my sister and I be married to the same man?
That is why you should not marry him. Don't. If he's getting married to Amara because of his son, there are other men out there who will be happy to marry you, Uju.
Annabelle, can you hear yourself speak? You and I know my condition. You and I know that I have no womb. You and I know my condition. You and I know that I can't possibly get married to another man. And even when I do, I will be miserable in that marriage because I am barren. It is Tony or no one else. I'm sorry. Please.
You have to take it easy on yourself, please.
It has to be him. I can't.
It's okay. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
You were right after all. If I hadn't believed you before, I do now.
I told you, now you have seen it for yourself.
His family, they sent a message across. They'll be coming this weekend to pay the things on the list. They want to get married to me fast.
Hey, I'm happy for you. You'll be getting married to a rich man. It's good.
Thank you. I'm going to miss you. I know you will not miss me.
I will miss you. I will even miss you more than you miss me. But I don't want to worry. Because I know that one day it will come for me.
Of course. You can trust me on that. So, Unjubisi, I have to go now. I'm sure Noso might have woken up. I don't want him to cry.
Okay, will you come to the house later?
I don't know yet. Let me just go. I'll see you later.
Ami. Amilisco, Amilingwe. Okay. How do you go,
I may be married to your sister, but my heart forever belongs to you. It is my mother and my uncle Ojiako's idea. Left for me, I wouldn't even think of such a thing.
My heart bleeds. I can't bear this. I can't bear it.
My love, please. This is the time I need you more than you have ever been there for me. I am the only child of my parents. I can't throw away the only child I'm sure of right now.
And I'm not asking you to either.
Once I'm done paying your sister's bride price, I will pay yours immediately, and ours will be more ceremonial. This is where my heart belongs. Please.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure. When
when you get married to her, where will she be staying? In your bedroom or...
Oh, no. She can't be in my bedroom. It's our bedroom. Look, babe. The only thing that is going to connect Amara and I is just a child. Just a child. I love you. Nothing can come in between us. It is just a child. Please. I know you want to see me happy. I know you want the best for me. Please. Let's do this. Sorry you have to go through this.
Don't force marriage, you consider well. What about love? Are you sure there is love? What about peace of mind? Check it off from her. Check it off from her. To feel like don't force marriage, you consider well. What about love? Are you sure there is love? What about peace of mind? Check it off from her.
Tony,
check it off from her.
Where are you going to? Won't you take her upstairs? Please show her her room.
Show her which room. She knows her way around.
It will not take anything away from you if you take her upstairs.
Mama, please, I'm tired. I need to rest.
Sorry, my love. I'm sorry. My dear, marriage is patient. In marriage, patience is a big virtue. You have to be patient with your husband. Especially this one that you know the circumstances surrounding your marriage with him.
Mama, I will try. But I will not kill myself for Tony. I won't do that.
No. It's okay. You will not kill yourself. Because I want you to give me more grandchildren. And I know you will. It's okay, son.
That's the problem. I don't understand why they'll be making it look like...
Tony, what is wrong with you?
Let me call you back, please.
Hey? What is wrong with you? How could you welcome your wife and son so coldly? Where did you learn that behavior from? It's okay.
First off, Mama, you are the one that paid her bride price. You are the one that brought her to this house, not me. So don't get me involved.
Anthony, I did it for you. For the family. Wait a minute. You mean you're finding it difficult to let go a woman without a womb? Eh? Instead, you prefer to abandon your own flesh and blood in that village.
My son being back home is a very great deal for me. I am happy. But I'm sad that I got married to the woman I do not love. Don't you get it?
With time, you learn to love her. Please, one thing I beg you. Don't make this house inhabitable for that poor girl. Because if she leaves, I will never forgive you. Not even in death. Never.
She's your sister. Have pity on her. Let her tears touch your heart. Show her respect, you embrace love. Let's bygone be bygone, my sister. What we are talking about is true love.
No, baby. Spare God for me. What do you mean spare God for you?
Spare God.
Which time did you become auntie? Auntie in the one or Uncle Kene?
Spare God.
In case you don't know, let me teach you. God is G-O-D.
How many letter words?
3 letter words now.
3 letter words, Abi?
Mm-hmm.
Now, spare devil.
Yeah. What do you have with the spelling? Are you learning how to do spelling? Eh?
Don't spell devil for me.
Devil is D-evil.
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 How many letter words?
5 now.
5. Now, spare woman.
Yeah. Now. Spelling class will come. You should have brought the whiteboard.
Spare woman.
Woman is woman. Woman.
Okay. How many letter words?
5 now.
Have you seen that devil and woman has the same letter words? Do you see that woman and devil has the same letter words? The same. You see? 5, 5. See, after devil, fear woman. Who on earth will believe that Amara of all people will leave you who are married a still small after all you have done for her?
Let me tell you. Amara did not leave me. Yes. I don't know why you people are saying all these things are saying. Amara did not leave me. I was the one that told Amara, go forth and prosper. Go forth and multiply.
You're not Jesus.
I gave her the consent. Say, Amara, go forth. Okay. So why are you saying Amara leave me? Amara did not leave me.
So you gave Amara your consent to leave.
Yes.
What happened to your son?
Which son?
No, so your son now.
So you have joined people to say this thing. Even you, my friend. You have joined people to be gossiping about me. See, let me tell you, I'm not the father of that boy. Everybody knows. Yes, I'm not the father of the boy. Amara and I have not started any copious meandering. And you know that.
I don't believe you.
Amara, as I'm talking to you now, Amara has gone to marry the father of her son.
I don't believe you.
Huh?
Lie. You're only covering up for her.
If you don't believe me, you will not believe that Jesus will come. So forget it. People can go ahead and gossip. But I have just told you. You see, Amara is now enjoying in her son's father's house. Happily married.
I don't believe you. Ndubisi, I don't believe you. You are just covering up.
If you don't believe me, you will not believe that Jesus will come. Just mark it. Hey man, what am I lying to you? Huh? You don't get anything from lying to you? No.
I don't believe you.
Is that why you're telling me to spare God?
Yes.
Spare devil?
Yes.
Spare this one?
I don't believe you.
If you want to apply for teaching, go and start teaching.
I don't believe you.
So, how is married life?
I wish I never got myself into this, my guy. It's worse. It's worse than you can ever imagine. Getting married to a total stranger is...
Come on, Tony. Tony, that woman is the mother of your son. I'm talking about your son. How is he?
He's good. At home with his mother.
Okay, that's fine. Listen, you don't have to worry. I understand what you're going through. All you just need is time and you'll get over it.
I'm getting married again.
You what? You're not serious, are you?
I'm getting married to Uju, her elder sister.
Tony, you can't be serious. Polygamy. How do you intend to manage that in this century?
Can we go somewhere else? Let's just go to a bar and chill, please. I have a whole lot on my mind.
This is not you.
Get ready, bro.
Easy. Don't worry. I'll just look up.
It's not a bed of roses. Every sweet thing's at times so has bitterness at end. There's time for everything. Be careful in this life. Makonye marifena balawa. A word is enough for a wise.
Sonny,
Stop boasting.
it's our first night as a couple. And you're coming back home late and drunk. What is wrong with you? Do you know you kept me awake all night waiting for you?
What are you doing on my bed?
What kind of stupid question is that?
Go back to your room and don't care about me.
I have to, Tony. You're my husband. I am your wife. Listen, I know you don't care about this thing that we have now. But you need to respect me. As the mother of your son, you need to give me that respect.
Go back to your room.
What room? This is my room, and I'm staying here tonight.
Need my privacy.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. This is my husband's room, and I'll be here. Good night.
Okay.
See, don't strangle me at night because I don't trust you. I don't trust you at all.
It's okay, you want to stay. There are lots of rooms in this house. I'll just make do without a living room or maybe any room anywhere just to sleep.
I will follow you now. Anywhere you go, I will follow you.
If you follow me, I'll slap you.
You cannot slap me. Tony, you cannot slap me. You cannot even try it. If you slap me, I will carry my son and leave this house.
If you follow me, I'll slap you.
I will slap you back. If you think it's that Amara that you know back then. In fact, you're not even going anywhere. Go and sleep there. Go back to bed. Tony, go back now. Do you want me to shout? Slap me. Slap me!
Ma, waitie. You are too hot-tempered. Waitie. Hear me out first.
What do you want me to hear? There's nothing to hear. What you just said is an abomination. And me, I can never be part of it. The only thing I want you to do is to remove that useless thought from your head. Do you want to make me an object of mockery in this village? Me? To allow my two daughters to get married to the same man? Eh?
Mama, I have my reasons.
There's nothing. What reason? What nonsense reason? Listen, the only reason I want to hear is for you to go in there and cancel whatever reason you have, whatever agreement you have with Amarachi's husband. Go and do it fast, because it's not going to work. Okay, me.
What man will marry a woman with no womb?
Osi, what did you just say? Ujunwa.
Your daughter has no womb.
Huh? I want you to tell your uncle what you told me earlier. Tell him.
Ujunwa, what is it your mother wants you to tell me? Am I going to sit here all day and watch you cry? Tell me the reason you invited me here.
Uju, you don't want to talk again. Talk to your uncle. Tell him what you told me. Talk to him. I don't want to lose my temper. Talk. Start talking now.
Where is the water I asked you to boil?
Auntie asked me to boil noodles for. I'm sorry, ma.
Sorry, kill you? Kill your father, your mother, and every member of your wretched family. Ewausa!
Mara, that wasn't necessary.
Bia. Ochakomaka, please, stay away from whatever I do with my husband. It's none of your business.
Need I remind you that I am still your elder sister?
My elder sister. My elder sister. Yet we share the same man. My elder sister somehow shamelessly found her way into my home. Married my husband. Slaves with my husband. Now let me tell you how it is in this house, in case you're too slow to understand. My husband, Odogu, he's the king of this house. And I am the queen. Our son also is the prince of his kingdom. And you, my elder sister, you are just a concubine.